Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw an area boundary on apartments.com. So once you have apartments.com opened up, what I want you to do is select your location. I'll just choose a location for this demonstration. Now, by default, it will highlight a general area for you. If you want to refine that and focus on a specific part, you can easily do that. Go to the top left where it says Draw a Search Area and press on it. Now what you can do is manually draw and choose whatever area you want on the map. Once you outline your preferred section, the site will automatically update and show listings only within that selected boundary. This makes it much easier to narrow down your search to a very specific neighborhood or region that fits your needs. Very simple and very straightforward. This is how to draw an area boundary on apartments.com. Map-based search tools improve accuracy, help users visualize neighborhoods, compare amenities, evaluate commute distances, understand zoning layouts, and identify nearby services like schools, transit, shopping centers, parks, and healthcare facilities. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.